Now, this is a problem that usually happens to me. Sometimes I find myself on the go. Maybe I'm out on an errand or I'm out to do something, and then somebody requests that I send him or her something from my computer. At this point, I am nowhere near my computer, and there is no other way I can be able to access my computer. But I recently discovered a good news. You can be able to access your computer and access every software on it, including all your files and folders, all your programs, with just your smartphone. And in this video, I'm going to teach you just that. Now, the beauty of this is you don't need to be around your computer when that emergency or when that call happens. You just need to take your phone and go straight into your computer and do whatever you want to do and save it. And so I'd want you to watch this video to the end and know how. I'm going to show you exactly what you need to do, all the steps you need to follow, and please do not skip any part of the video, because if you skip the part and you try it and it don't work, I mean, who is to blame? And so watch this video to the end so that you know exactly what to do before we get started. My name is Happy Amera. Let's get right into it. First of all, let's look at the requirements. You need one, your computer, that is your laptop or your personal computer. You also need your smartphone, which you'd be needing to connect with your computer. Now, before we go into how to connect, let me actually show you a demonstration of how it looks like and how everything is going to work. And so let me get into my phone right now and then start working on my laptop with my phone so that I can see. So right now I have been able to successfully connect to my laptop. As you can see, this is my Google Chrome, netflix.com. I was just watching some Netflix. You know, weekends are for Netflix. And so I open my start menu, and these are all the recent applications that I can work on. I can open Photoshop, I can open Word, PowerPoint, Excel. Let me just try open Word for the sake of this video. As you can see, it opens just as it does on the phone. It has the same interface. Now what this does is that it loads a virtual machine, a virtual copy of your laptop into your smartphone. And so let me just close this and then open any of the documents. This is my phone that I have opened Word on it. Let me close it and then open other applications as well so that you get a fair idea of what I am talking about. Let me open PowerPoint. As you can see, just the same as it does. It loads exactly just as it does on the personal computer. Content creation 101 day 3. Let me also close it. Let me open something else. Let me try opening a file for you to see. Let me open a movie and then click on it to start watching a movie. Now, this is me watching a movie from my phone. I don't know if you can see it from here. Yes. Let me pause it. Yes, and so the possibilities are endless. There are a lot of things that you can do on your phone from your laptop. Now note that before this has to work, you should have some sort of internet connection. It doesn't use your data though, but then it needs to connect the two devices on the same network. In my case, the two devices are on the same Wi-Fi, and so it makes the connection seamless. Let me close it. Let me close this one too. And as you can see, even Photoshop is loaded here on it, and I can work on my Photoshop document. So assuming I've gone somewhere and a client needs a work from me, a client needs a revision, and I'm nowhere near my laptop, all I need to do is to get my phone, log on to my virtual machine or my computer on my phone, do whatever editing, open WhatsApp on my phone, the WhatsApp on my desktop on my phone, and send that particular document to the person. As easy as that. Now that we know how this whole thing works, how do you set up this, or how do you do this for your own? Now let's look at the setting on your laptop first before we look at how it is done on your mobile phone. Now on your laptop, you would go into your laptop settings. You can search it in the search bar, go to settings and then go to remote desktop and then click on it. Now you have to toggle on remote desktop and then note your laptop name. Now once you've turned on remote desktop, you'd have to also do some connections on your phone to be able to connect it. Now this app is on the Google Play Store. I've not tried searching it on the App Store for the iOS devices yet, and so I cannot speak much of that. But then if you have an iOS device, you can also try and see if it will work, and you let us know in the comment section. So you go to the Google Play Store and then you search remote desktop. Let me open my Play Store. Remote desktop. Now this is how it looks on the Play Store. Because I have downloaded it, you see open here and uninstall. So once you click on open, this is where you set up all your connections. Let me close this connection right here so that I can re-add my computer here. Now let's relaunch the app. Now if you log into the app, this is a similar interface that you are going to see. I already have one computer linked here, that is Mera, and as you can see it's there. But unless, for the sake of those who are watching or for the sake of the new people, let's just try connecting another computer. So all you need to do is to come to add resource, and then there is add PC and add workspace. You click on add PC and then there is PC detection, and so if there's a PC nearby that has enabled remote desktop, it automatically picks it up, or you can click on add manually. Now with the manual connection, you need to add the PC name and then the user account. So the PC name as in the name of your computer, how your name appears on your computer. So maybe I'll just enter my PC name here, let's say Mera, and then user account. You can add a user account and you'd enter your PC username and your password. So if you have a password on your computer, you have to enter the username and then password for that computer, and then go on to the settings, see which one you want to enable and disable, and once you're done, you click on save, and when you click on it, you can be able to connect to it. As simple as that. And so try this out. Let me know what you think about this in the comment section. There are a lot of applications that you can use on your phone from your laptop, such as Photoshop, WhatsApp, Word, the whole Microsoft Office suite, and everything on your laptop can be accessed directly from your smartphone. What do you think about this? Is it something that is going to help you? Is it something you'd want to try out in the near future or in the next possible minutes? Let me know in the comment section, as well as if you have any other questions, leave them below in the comment section. But don't leave here, subscribe to this video and put us on post notifications so that whenever we post new content, you'll be notified. If this was helpful, be sure to give this video a thumbs up, and I'll see you in the next one. Ciao.